Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have their prayers answered more often than others? This question has intrigued many of us at some point. Prayer is a universal concept, cutting across cultures, religions, and personal beliefs. It's more than a ritual or a desperate plea in times of crisis. It's an everyday practice, a conversation with the divine, an opportunity to express gratitude, seek guidance, or ask for help. But prayer isn't just about asking. It's a spiritual connection, a bridge that links us to the divine, a space where we can feel heard and understood. It's a powerful tool that can bring comfort, clarity, and change. Yet some people seem to yield more results from their prayers than others. It sparks our curiosity, doesn't it? What makes a prayer effective? Is there a secret formula or a particular method to it? Today, we'll unravel the mystery behind praying effectively. Prayer isn't simply a wish list for the universe to fulfill. Think of it more like dialing into the celestial switchboard, a direct line to the spiritual realm. It's not about rattling off your latest shopping list of wants and needs. No, it's a deeper, more profound connection. It's about listening, expressing gratitude, seeking guidance, and yes, sometimes asking for help. Imagine if you were on a phone call and you did all the talking, never letting the other party get a word in edgewise. Not very productive, right? Well, prayer works the same way. It's not just about broadcasting your message out into the universe and hoping for the best. It's about creating an open line of communication, taking the time to listen, to understand, and to respond. So remember, when it comes to prayer, it's not just about asking. It's about listening, it's about understanding, it's about connecting. Prayer is a two-way street, and understanding this is key to praying effectively. Now that we understand what prayer is, how do we pray effectively? Let's break down the process into 4 tangible steps. First, be clear and specific with your prayer. Imagine you're ordering at a restaurant. You wouldn't just say, "I want food," would you? No, you'd say, "I'll have the linguine with clams, extra garlic, hold the parsley." Specificity is key. In the realm of prayer, this could look like, "I'm seeking peace in my relationships," or "I desire to grow in my personal discipline." Next, show gratitude. Even in times of struggle, there's always something to be thankful for. Gratitude shifts our focus from what's wrong to what's right. So, in your prayer, express thanks for the blessings in your life. For example, "Thank you for the love and support of my family," or "I'm grateful for my health and strength." Thirdly, believe and visualize the outcome. Like a movie director, visualize the scene you're praying for. See it, feel it, live it. If you're praying for peace, imagine yourself in a peaceful state, the tranquility washing over you like a gentle ocean wave. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's faith, and faith is a powerful tool in effective prayer. Lastly, listen and reflect. Prayer isn't a monologue, it's a dialogue. After you've expressed your desires and gratitude, take a moment to listen. You might not hear an audible voice, but you may feel drawn to a certain thought or feeling. Reflect on this. It's part of the process, the deepening connection between you and the divine. Remember, these steps aren't a magic formula. They're guides to help you focus and connect more deeply in your prayer life. So whether you're a seasoned spiritual warrior or a beginner on the path, these steps can help you enrich your prayer experience. Remember, the most important part of prayer is the sincerity and conviction behind it. So as you apply these steps, let your heart lead the way. After all, it's not about the perfect words, but the sincere heart behind them. Praying effectively isn't a secret skill. It's about sincerity, clarity, gratitude, belief, and reflection. That's what we've been exploring in this journey together. We've delved into the power of prayer, illuminating its capacity to connect us with the divine and shape our lives in profound ways. Prayer is not a one-way street. It's a dialogue, a potent form of communication that requires understanding and reverence. We've also unpacked the steps to pray effectively. Sincerity, the first step, involves praying from the heart, unmasking our vulnerabilities. Clarity comes next, as we articulate our hopes, fears, and desires with precision. Then we express gratitude, acknowledging the blessings that fill our lives. Belief is pivotal too, as we must trust in the divine's benevolence and wisdom. Lastly, reflection allows us to learn and grow from our prayerful experiences. So next time you pray, remember these steps and see how the power of prayer transforms your life. Thank you for watching. Your support means the world to us. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more insights and sharing this with friends who might also benefit. Stay blessed.